WhatsApp is a free-to-download messenger app where you can use it to send messages, images, audio or video. The service is very similar to text messaging services. However, because WhatsApp uses the internet to send messages, the cost of using WhatsApp is a lot less than texting. You can also use WhatsApp on your desktop. It is popular with teenagers because of the features like group chatting, voice messages and location sharing. WhatsApp is owned by Facebook and at the time of making this video has over 1 billion users worldwide. So with the demographics and the number of users it has, it would make sense to look at how you could make money from using it. Here are some ideas. Market your own products and skills. You could choose to market your own products on WhatsApp. If you have a product or services, you can make an online flyer and send it to your contacts or groups and tell them about the offers and discounts you are offering through WhatsApp. As always, make sure that the people and the groups you approach have interest in the kind of products. Don't spam people and add some value to them whilst you are contacting them. Hints and tips are a great way of offering more whilst promoting a service or your product. If you do not own your own products, don't be put off. All you need to do is create an online shop. Copy the products from suppliers into your online store, then send the links of these to your WhatsApp contacts. If any of them click on the link and go to your online shop to order, the suppliers will ship the goods to them and you get your money. We've talked about drop shipping before and this is well worth looking into. You can also market your skills. If you're a designer, share your designs to contacts and friends. Join a group that relates to your skills. You may just get a big contract from there. Become a WhatsApp marketeer for businesses. There are people who are paid to promote businesses on WhatsApp. First, you have to be in the groups that have lots of contacts, and you must also build up your own contacts as well. Use these forums, social media, and any platforms you have to advertise yourself. Use lines like, "I can help you reach 1,000 customers via WhatsApp. Contact me if you're interested." You will get people who will get in touch, and make sure you actually have a plan on how to introduce their products and services to your WhatsApp audience. YSense or ClickSense. YSense is a website that will pay you to complete surveys, watch videos, play games and do so many other things. But how can you use WhatsApp to make money through this site? As we said, YSense pays you to complete surveys, watch videos, etc. However, it also pays you commission to refer your friends. When you sign up for YSense, you will have a referral link. You can use this on your WhatsApp and share this link with your contacts. The more people you sign up, the more bonus points you get. As it's free to join, you've nothing to lose. Short links. This is the easiest and most popular way to make money from WhatsApp, sending short links. Short links are shortened links to a website. A typical link to a story will usually be very long. Short links simply shortens this link. Using this method, all you have to do is look for news, tips and any other information your contacts and groups would love to read. Copy the link and go to a URL shortener, log in, paste the link and shorten it. Then copy the shortened link, open up your WhatsApp and share it with your contacts and groups. When your contacts click on the link, it will show them some adverts before showing them the story or information. This is how you can make money. This will fetch you a passive income if you have a large group or contacts who enjoy reading your content. You can also share this with your WhatsApp status. Some popular short link sites are affiliate links. Of course, affiliate marketing is not new and is something we have talked about a lot here on Business with Joe. As with other social media sites, this method can fetch good money if you have a good number of contacts and belong to high-end groups. It's very easy if you belong to groups that focus on particular topics. You can talk to the group about this topic, build up your following by offering up good content, and then go to an affiliate network, register with them, look for a company that sells things within your skill set, copy the link and share it with your group members. Don't be tempted to copy and paste links that aren't within your niche, as this will lose your followers in the long run. Pay per download. This is one method you can use to make money from WhatsApp, but it is not well used. What happens here is that you can upload files such as pictures, videos, music, games, etc. to websites and they pay you for every download. Websites that offer these services are: before the person gets to download, the sites will likely show them surveys or ads. After completing the survey or viewing the ads, they download. This is how they make money to pay you. See, if you'd like to use this method to make money from WhatsApp, all you have to do is join groups or make content with people who have interest in a particular content field. Then upload the content to any of the sites, share the link, they download, you make some money. Drive traffic to your blog. A lot of bloggers make money from WhatsApp by driving traffic from it to their blog. Blogging is one of the best ways to make money online, but to make money from your blog, you need traffic. Traffic means people visiting your blog. That is where WhatsApp comes in. Write a blog that's in demand and then create a group on WhatsApp. Invite people to it. Make the group engaging with great content. Then, whenever you share a post of your blog, share your post with a link at the end on your group. You will have visitors from your WhatsApp group, and your WhatsApp contacts may click and forward your summary to their contacts. If you go viral on WhatsApp, then that means so many visitors and money, of course. Refer friends to apps. There are apps on Play Store that will pay you a small token or offer recharge cards and different rewards if you refer a friend to use it. This is very passive as incomes are small, but who doesn't like free stuff? All you need to do is get the app, refer friends and earn some money. WhatsApp is a great platform to use to direct your followers to your shop, blog or affiliate links, etc. Some of the methods listed above are passive and will only earn you a little income. Others, like affiliate marketing and selling your own products, can make you more money if you get enough visitors to get conversions. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.